For the people who watch this show and those wonderful Bitcoin enthusiasts who follow us on Twitter, they know that two things. One, I've kind of had this move right since it's gone above 4,000, but 2 out of the 3 trades I've talked about haven't worked out well because of fluctuations and noise on the short term. I think this move is a bit overdone. It came into contact with resistance from, almost a year ago at around the 8,500 level. I think 79.50 is a spot to sell it with a target of 75.50 and a stop placed back above 82.25. Again, I think that it's just come too far too fast. This was a FOMO trade, obviously, but a lot of people getting along, and as soon as it starts to go lower, that's accelerated by all the longs.
And I find this interesting that he's coming in here at this level. I was wrong last week at the 6,400 level. Let's look at the actual chart, Jimmy. Above 4,000, once we stabilized, there was 2 significant resistance levels, which were old support levels, 6,400 and 8,000. We flew through 6,400 like a hot knife through butter, and now here we are at 8,000. So I like the fact that he's trying to approach this. But let's have a quick public service announcement. This isn't saying we hate Bitcoin. This is saying throw away Bitcoin. This is a way to utilize futures to trade the Bitcoin, the fluctuations of prices. Therefore, if you happen to buy it higher at 12,000, 14,000, as you bring in trade monies, that helps you lower your cost. And I know a lot of the hodlers out there this doesn't have any influence on, but at the end of the day, you have to use the technicals to your favor.
And all our friends, those Bitcoin enthusiasts we talked about before, make sure you tag Jeff Kilberg on your Twitter post, too, because he wants to hear what you have to say as well, not just me.